So I am working on the door handle. You have to run my video too? You're running my video? I can't, for YouTube. For my car. It's fine. I don't think you can see. Here, you gotta take. Goodness. So the door, to put the door handle on, I took off the screws and then I lifted up the door handle. Now I'm working on taking these, popping it out. The last video I watched said you just pop it out. Well, they lied. So I don't know how I'm going to get this so you guys can see. Well, let's see. Alright, so I turned it. Now I should be able to hop on out of there. Yes. Oh no! Fuck. Fudge. Well, you don't want to do that. Alright. So, and there's another one right there. Oh no. That looks like a John. Okay, that's my door lock. So, I'm going to turn this. And just try to pop around out there. There we go. It's a little harder than it looks. Alright. Ooh. I should be able to do it with this like that. Oh, I'm going to take that off. So this is what I need to get to. I'm going to pause the video and get my door handle ready.